the Brabus 800 XLC. The tires, off-road specific, humongous. As soon as I open the door, moves out. When you close them, moves all the way back in. Even an entry board which is illuminated in the trunk. This is cool. Ay, 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 ay. It's all red. Everything is red. And here it is, guys. Today is the day where I show you another G-Class Cabriolet by Brabus.
Another one.
This, ladies and gentlemen, is the Brabus 800 XLC. Since we have a Cabriolet G here by Brabus, we'll be talking about everything you need to know in today's video, give you a full walk around, talk about all the exterior details, talk about the inside, and then we will be starting up the V8, which is highly modified by Brabus. Before we start today's video and the walk around, let me show you the engine. Let's skip the engine first. Let me show you this. We have a soft top by Brabus. This is in dimensions the exact same size as a G63, which, since it's an XL, sits higher, 4x4 level. And then we have a soft top all made by Brabus. This literally is OEM level. We'll be showing you all the details and you will love it. Now, let me show you the engine. To do that, we'll need to pull this, close the interior, and then put this up. 4-liter V8, highly modified. It's a G63 AMG engine as a base. And then we have, new turbochargers by Brabus, giving us a total output of 800 horsepower. This thing is insane, but you need the power to move this forward. In Brabus way, we have a full gold, you see that here? We have a full gold badge here with the signature of Mr. Brabus. Jörn Gander, the CTO of Brabus, he is the mastermind. His team is the guys behind all the tech at Brabus, and I have to give them a big shout out for building this insane vehicle here. In terms of exterior and interior configuration, we have pale brown exterior paint finish by Brabus. It's not a Mercedes color. And then we have the XL specific alloys, all made by Brabus. We have a lot of carbon fiber on the outside and even in the hardtop, soft top thingy, which I will be showing you in a second. And the inside, yes, full red. From the back, as I've already mentioned, we have the soft top. Let me just give you a closer look. This is all been made by Brabus, so this is not just copy-pasted part from the old generation Mercedes G Cabriolet. This is all developed by Brabus. And inside here you can already see we have a lot of carbon fiber. It's very hard to spot. Now you can maybe see it there. It's all made by Brabus. We have the frame also finished in carbon fiber, looks absolutely insane. And the movement, I think it takes up to 20 seconds for it to open and close. And you can also do that while driving. Mercedes has announced that they will be building a Cabriolet as well. We don't know if it will be based on the 63, on the non-AMG models, on the Baby G, maybe two-door Cabriolet. We don't know yet. But what we know is Brabus was first. And here we have it. Let me show you the front and all the details around. We have the Brabus white body kit here with exposed carbon fiber finish. I wished that the carbon fiber, it's possible at Brabus, you can also get the carbon fiber in the exact same color tone as your exterior paintwork. So the carbon fiber colored in brown, for example, is possible at Brabus. With this one, it's just a regular carbon fiber black gloss finish. You can also go with the matte finish, whatever you like. We have the hood extension here by Brabus. On the front, we have quite a lot of carbon fiber details, and even on the grille. And as you can see, we have the signature stripes on the so-called Panamericana grille. It's all full finished in black gloss, and we have the carbon fiber frame all around. As I mentioned, we have the off-roading wheels by BRABUS here. These are 22 inches. As soon as you move back from the car, you would say they are way smaller, right? These are 22 inches. And the tires, off-road specific, humongous, amazing. That actually matches extremely well with the overall exterior finish. And yeah, as soon as we move all the way down, we have the side step boards here for an easy entrance. Watch this. As soon as I open the door, moves out. When you close them, moves all the way back in for easy entry. And then we have the illuminated exhaust now. This was, back in the days, only available for Rocket G models, but now BRABUS has decided to put it also on all their G masterpieces, and it's an option if you buy a G-Class from BRABUS nowadays. It's illuminated in red. I've also asked them if they could do any other color except for red, but they said no, unfortunately. Imagine having another color here in the LEDs or whatsoever. Would look quite cool. What do you guys think? Yeah, the tires, humongous, carbon fiber exposed all around. We have the carbon fiber frame of the soft top, BRABUS detail all around. It's also a cool mechanism the way it opens and closes. And then we have the soft top here, as I mentioned. This underneath is actually carbon fiber. This material is all weatherproof, and then you can also get an optional cover to cover this all up. It's all up to you. And then you actually have a trunk. As soon as you open this up, you can have quite a lot of space in here. BRABUS masterpiece leather works also in the trunk, and even an entry board which is illuminated in the trunk. This is cool. The color is burning my eyes right now, I'm telling you. The 800, as we have 800 horsepower here, instead of a spare tire in the back, we have the carbon fiber cover. Looks quite cool. In my opinion, the exterior paint is a 10 out of 10. Especially matches extremely cool with the sand look here. Lovely. Let's check out the inside. Here we have the key of the XLC. The key leather cover is actually matching the interior. So I was kind of confused with the exterior-interior color combination here. But as I mentioned, it's demonstrating what BRABUS is capable of doing. As soon as I open the door, step board for an easy entry. And then we have the inside. It's all red. Everything is red. Everything. Literally everything. We have quite a lot of carbon fiber bits and pieces, and all the aluminum parts whatsoever have been repainted, as you can see. These are quite a lot of parts which BRABUS actually removes and then repaints, and then puts them back on. As you can also see, every single button, and this is quite a lot of work to do. Even the door handle is painted, you see. It's a very dark chrome finish. I think it's matte, right? Oh, I don't know. Even the lock pin here with the BRABUS detail. And the interior is a masterpiece. I mean, I've put this floor mat just to protect the leather masterpiece floor mat underneath, because I mean there's quite a lot of sand outside. I don't want to get the car dirty, so that's why I've decided to put this inside. Don't get it confused, it's all red underneath as well. I mean, even underneath the leather floor mat, it's all leather. This is insane. Looking at the seat here, everything red. BRABUS masterpiece with the signature of CEO Konstantin Buschmann. And there's something quite interesting. As soon as you look at the headrest, maybe you've already noticed, we have the air scarf mode in the seat integrated by BRABUS. This is insane. I mean, as you know, with every Mercedes-Benz Cabriolet, you get the air scarf, which heats your neck to work against the cold air from the outside. Now we get that even with the G-Class Cabriolet by BRABUS. Really, really cool. And then you can see we have the back seats, quite a lot of space and no roof. This is so cool. This is insane. Let me just do something here. Watch this. As soon as I start the ignition, see that? There's actually ambient colors all around the roof. This is something that BRABUS has come up with, and it looks really cool. We even have the 3D speakers also sitting over there on the bar. And then here we have the badge. It's one of 50 4x4 Cabriolet by BRABUS. And if you want to open and close the soft top, all you got to do is, push this button here. It's quite cool, made by Brabus, to operate the soft top, to close and open it. As you can see, this is the interior. The steering wheel is full carbon fiber on top, bottom and the frame. And then we have the red leather and the Brabus double B here. As soon as I push the start stop button again, we have the driving buttons here. The driving modes can be changed and modified and aligned to your preferences. This is the inside. Let's get on and let's open and close the soft top. Let's go. So now we will be closing the soft top. Watch this, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Here you can see. It takes up to 20 seconds to close and open. And you also had a view on this carbon fiber part that actually popped out. And then we have an additional glass in the back, which is also heated. Watch this, this looks insane. As if it came from Mercedes-Benz factory. This looks insane. Brabus OEM level, perfect quality. The finishing is absolutely insane. Love it. Okay, and now we will be opening it. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Watch this. On the very top, we are counting 3 meters. This is insane, a lot of space. See how much light you get in the inside after opening it. Yeah, that's about it. And then you have an additional cover to cover the soft top if you like. It's all up to you. This is how you open and close the soft top, and you can also do that while driving. It's quite cool. So now we will be starting it up in 3, 2, 1, let's go. As you can see, the exhaust is also illuminated. Let me just get a bit closer. Let's have 2 more revs. Let's go. This is insane. This is absolutely insane. The sound is quite good. I mean, like it. We have the side pipes here, as usual. Also illuminated in red, kind of matching with the interior here. How do you guys like the all-new Brabus XLC? And that's about it for today's video, guys. What do you guys think about the all-new Brabus 800 XLC? It's 1 of 50 pieces only. I mean, this is a proper Brabus G Cabriolet. I really like the way they did it, the way they have come up with it. The soft top is not just copy-paste from any other manufacturer. They have completely developed and engineered it all by themselves, in-house built by Brabus, made in Germany. The look, if you ask me, I don't like it. The interior color with the exterior doesn't match. I really love the exterior color, but I wish they went with a more bright cream, maybe white interior finish that would match. But yeah, with this Brabus just wants to demonstrate that everything is possible and they can do whatever you wish for. How do you guys like this one? Would you prefer the XLC, this one, or the black regular G800 Cabriolet? Choose one, which one you like most. Already looking forward to see you all again. Special thanks to Brabus for letting us film here. And thank you for putting 4 tons of sand here inside the studio with this humongous car. I mean, we have more sand in the weight of the car, I guess. This is insane. Already looking forward to see you all again and wish you an amazing day. I will be back.